definition and example of noun and more of the parts of speech in fourth chapter. Okay, so here is, we know that nouns are the names of things, person, places, animals, and even idea. Examples: girl, boy, Tarun, Arun, table, chair. These all are names of things, person, places, etc. Okay, so these are the noun names. Okay, noun are of different kinds: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun. So step by step I explain you the different kinds of noun. Okay, here common and proper noun. What is common and proper noun? Here see, the boy lives in a city, Vishal lives in Hyderabad. So boy, here the boy and here the city. That is, in the boy and city are common nouns because they give common names to a person and a place. What do you understand by common name? Common noun, it means, suppose boy, suppose many boys like you, like Vishal, like Nishant, Ram, these all names are included in the common noun because these all are boys. And if I say as a Reena, Sheena, Meena, that all are girls, so these all girls are included in the common noun because these all are girls. So common noun क्या होता है? कलेक्टिव होता है, मतलब हर एक प्रॉपर नाउन्स को इंक्लूड किया रहता है. एंड प्रॉपर नाउन इंडिविजुअल पर्सन को इंडिकेट करता है. सपोज विशाल एंड हैदराबाद इंडिविजुअल प्लेस और इंडिविजुअल पर्सन को इंडिकेट कर रहा है. हियर विशाल इज ओनली वन, neither anyone. If I say you with your name, so you identify with your name ना, आप अपने नाम से पहचाने जाते हो, तो आपके जैसा तो कोई दूसरा नहीं है, तो वो आपका नाम, आप जो हुए वो प्रॉपर नाउन हो गए. बट इफ आई से you a boy, that is the common noun because boy included all, you, your brother, okay, and your cousin also. So these all are boys, so included all proper noun in boys. Okay, so Hyderabad is a city, so Hyderabad already included in the city, various cities: Hyderabad, Allahabad, Varanasi, Kanpur, Lucknow. These all are cities which are included in the name of city. So these are proper noun and these are common noun. Okay, so boy and city are common noun because they common nouns to a person in a place. Vishal and Hyderabad are proper noun because they give a special name. What it gives? The special name. So Vishal, Hyderabad, these are special name na, to indicate any person and a place individually. Common nouns give common names to person, animal, places or things which are of the same kind: boy, city, girl, country. This type of name are common noun. Proper noun gives special name like Vishal, Delhi, Suman, and now see this chart: common noun, proper noun. Here common noun country. Country, the common noun country includes various country. Suppose India, Australia, England, America. Okay, and these are, so India, America, Australia, these are proper noun, and country common noun. Boy includes Vishal, Nishant, Ram, Shyam, and many more boys. So these proper noun is included in common noun already. Here girl means various name of girls that has a proper noun special name: Richa, Meena, Sheena. Okay, these all are proper names which are included in common noun. Here river included various river like Ganges, Yamuna, Tapti, Ravi. Okay, month 12 months na, so all 12 months are included in the month, like special name of the each month as January, February, March, April, May, June, etc. These are special name proper noun. Okay, note that proper noun begin with capital letter and proper noun always begin with the capital letter. Okay, now exercise page number 18. Circle the common noun and underline the proper noun. Circle the common noun. So common noun and underline the proper. Mr. Verma indicate any person, special person. Underline the proper noun. Okay, in his is a doctor in this hospital. So doctor is common noun. Circle the doctor. Except Mr. Verma, many more. With Mr. Verma, many more doctors are in work in hospital na. So doctor is common noun. We always travel by the Air India. We always travel by the Air India. So Air India is the specific name of any aeroplane na. So here Air India is a proper noun. Sorry, to underline it. And we always travel by the Air India. So ho gaya. Then after here, Vidhi wants to be an actress when she grows up. Vidhi. Vidhi is the name na, proper noun. Underline. It's done. Now actress when she grows up. Wants to be an actress. Actress, common noun. October is the month. October, proper noun na, month. Here the month is common noun. Red Fort. Red Fort, only one Red Fort in India na. Okay, so there is the in whole world only one Red Fort. It's a monument. So monument, various monument. Red Fort. There is various monuments na. Red Fort, Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar. We will go to Delhi by the Rajdhani Express. So here Delhi is proper noun and Rajdhani Express, this also is proper noun. Okay. Now Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. Sachin Tendulkar, proper noun, and cricketer, it's common noun. Jyoti, proper. Book, Oliver Twist. So here book is common. Oliver Twist, proper. Classmate. Okay, so here Oliver Twist to her classmate. Left it. Rajiv. Okay, Rajiv and Somnath. Rajiv and Somnath are friends. So here Rajiv and Somnath both are proper noun. Friends. So friends, many more, common noun. Okay. Arun will visit Kolkata in October. Here classmate also common noun. Arun will visit Kolkata in October. Arun proper, Kolkata proper, and October also proper. Match the common nouns with the group of proper noun. Rivers. So here the rivers match with Ganges, Yamuna. Girls. Name of girls. E. Subjects. Here the subjects. Okay. So here subject. Trains. Trains here given. Cricket players. Here months. Here boys. Okay. Now abstract. Imagine two situations when your favorite team wins, when your mother scolds you. Okay, जब आपकी टीम जीत रही है या फिर आपकी मदर आपको डांट रही है. In the first situation, you experience happiness ना if your team wins, and in the second situation you experience sadness because your mother scolds you. Happiness and sadness are abstract now. Okay, happiness and sadness, these are abstract now. They do not name any person, animal, thing. So it's not the name of any person, animal or thing. It's only a express of your feelings. We can't see or touch them, but only think of them or feel them because it's feeling na. So we only feel it and think of them. Okay, since they name feelings and ideas also. We know what honestly, beauty mean. We know na honestly and beauty mean, but we can't touch or see them. When we talk about innocence of a baby, we do not see the innocence what we see in the baby because innocence is quality. These all are quality na, so we just only talk about it but can't touch or see them. Abstract is the name of some quality, feeling or idea. So abstract noun is the name of some quality, feeling or idea. Quality, feeling and idea includes in abstract noun. We can only think it or feel it but can never touch or see it. Exercise. The baby cried in pain. So pain is abstract noun given here. Fear of animals kept Sonali away from the zoo. Fear is the abstract noun. Tell me the truth. Truth is the abstract. Abstract nouns are usually used in singular form. Memories, pleasures, experience. ये एक्सेप्शंस हैं. इन तीनों वर्ड्स का एक्सेप्शन होगा. इनके अलावा जितने भी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन होंगे वो हमारे सिंगुलर फॉर्म में होंगे. बस ये 3 वर्ड्स हैं जो कि प्लूरल फॉर्म्स में होते हैं. अंडरलाइन द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस. ऑनेस्टी इज ग्रेट क्वालिटी. सो हियर ऑनेस्टी abstract. My mother gave me some necessary advice. So here advice. My grandfather always believed in truth. Truth. His bravery won him many awards. Bravery. I have experience of traveling to distant places. Experience. You should read. You should read good books to gain knowledge. To gain knowledge. So here to gain knowledge. Knowledge is abstract noun. It was a pleasure meeting you. Pleasure abstract noun. She could hardly speak because of fear. So here fear. Rajiv shared some sweet memories. So here memories. Okay, everyone knows about her kindness towards dog. Kindness is here. Write the quality that these people have. An honest, honesty, honesty. Okay, and happy child, happiness, happiness. An angry boss, anger. So here angry boss. Here anger. Okay, a brave soldier, bravery. Quality, these all are quality. A proud lady, pride. Kind man, a kind man, kindness. Beautiful princess, beauty. Next page. Here form nouns by adding. You have to do this with yourself. I send you whole exercise as PDF also, but here see form nouns by adding dumb, it, meant, these type of prefix. Okay, so here sweet, what it made here? Sweetness. Okay, here sweetness. Real, like real, reality na. So here reality. Equal, equality. Treat, treatment, treat, treatment. Honest, honesty. Free, freedom. Formal, here formal. Okay, formality. Foolishness, here foolishness. Growth, cruelty. Under Dr. Sharma's treatment, my mother is now recovering from her illness. Okay, fill in the blanks with abstract noun form above. Above these words are filled in this blanks. Okay, sweetness of the Jews after I tasted equality between the rich and poor in our country. The king showed his foolishness by allowing the thief to escape. The woodcutter's honesty impressed the fairy. He fought against cruelty towards animal. We fought for our freedom. The plants show slow growth in winter. Okay. Now collecting. Now he gave me a bouquet of flowers on my birthday. A flock of sheep was grazing in the field. So bouquet, okay, is the various flower included in it, that is called bouquet. Okay, a flock of sheep was grazing in the field. Okay, is the group of sheep that are called flock. Okay, here group of flower is bouquet. mate, and group of sheep is called flock. A noun that names a collection of a person, animal, thing considered as a one whole is called collective noun. Collection of person, animal or things. Here some many more collective nouns. Just see the exercise. Underline the collective noun. The child got lost amidst the crowd of people. So here crowd. Shepherd looks after his herd of sheep. The herd. Meena has lost of the bunch of keys. Here lost the bunch of keys. So bunch. The crew of sailor boarded the ship. Crew. The audience listened to the music. Spellbound audience. A mob destroyed the company's new office. So here a mob destroyed the company's new office. Here company's new office destroyed by mob. Na? So mob called as a here like a crowd. The fleet of ships was waiting at the port. So here fleet. It was difficult for the committee to come a decision. Committee. Fill in the blank with appropriate collective noun. Here your clothes are in the chest of drawers. He is a member of the board of directors. The rabbit was attacked by a gang of wolves. A school of dancers will perform at the event. The lorry is carrying pack of cotton. Get me a tuft of grass from the park. Popo was the leader of a bell of fish. The police chased a troop of thieves. Try this exercise with yourself. I send you this page exercise as PDF. Okay.